If you love to cook out, you're sure to be serving lots of chicken this summer. Cutting up a whole bird will end up saving you money. First, place the chicken breast side up on a cutting board. To remove the entire leg, cut down between thigh and body. Cut through the joint and repeat on the other leg. Bend the thigh back and twist it to break the hip joint. To separate the drumstick from the thigh, place leg skin side down and cut through the joint. Then, using poultry shears, cut through the rib cage along one side of the backbone from tail end to neck. Repeat on the other side to remove the backbone in one piece. Before cutting the breast, trim away any excess fat. With the skin side down, crack the breastbone and then cut the breast in half by placing the knife along one side of the breastbone. To remove the wing, pull back from the breast and cut at the joint. Then cut the wing in half again at the joint. This cut is perfect for chicken wings. Next, remove the wing tip. These can be frozen and used in chicken stock. Remember when handling raw poultry to wash your hands and cutting board to prevent the spread of bacteria. Buying a whole chicken will save a substantial amount over the packaged price. For more delicious barbecue recipes, visit summerkitchen.tv.